Alright, here is the place where you want to make a download of this very simple software. So you guys just remember this. This is called simplemoviemaking.com, and you can get that safe download right there. You see that. So it's going to be the simple program that you can use to do your editing without having a lot of real problems and creativity problems and everything. This is really just a simple process software. Windows Movie Maker was discontinued, but this is the safe download for this. So we're going to wait until it downloads, and then we're going to show you how to use it. Alright, so our download is completed, so we're going here to the download. We're going to open the file, and it's Windows Live Essentials, yes. And it's going to open this up, preparing to install it. Choose Windows Essentials recommended. Choose the program you want to install. That's what you want. You want this Photo Gallery and Movie Maker, okay? Click on that and then press install. Okay, done. Windows Essential installed. To start using Windows Essential, click close. So we're going to click close, okay? So this is a Microsoft agreement, accept. I've got my signed in thing, so I'm okay. So I have a Microsoft account, so we're gonna end up getting this installed. Okay, now we have gone down into the search box and we've put Movie Maker, and you see we have this app, and what we want to do is we want to take this, but we want to pin it. I pin this stuff to the taskbar, okay? Okay, so let's get rid of that. Let's see where that went, okay? If it did go to the taskbar, what's happened here? Right here is the Movie Maker on the taskbar. You just click that once is all you have to do. Expand it out, and now you're ready to actually go in and do something. So what I'm going to do, I brought this stick over, and I'm just going to put this stick in, and I'm going to do this from here. So what I'm doing is I'm going to give you this old thing that we've been watching, because I want to have this so I'm putting that in there. Now you see it's taking time to prepare your files. This is a short one, so you can see this bar down here running. Okay, when it gets to the end, the time that's up here is now it's ready. Okay, so we'll just click this. Now all you have to do is click this to play it all. Okay, now let's stop it. If you want to play the full screen, you preview the full screen. Okay, so back to Movie Maker. So we're looking at this. Now the thing is that if you have something you want to do here, let's say you want to stop and clip this out, okay? So let's say you can take this and run this, just pull it and run it. And if you say, well, I want to take this out, then you can do that. You right hand click it, and then it'll tell you to split it, okay? Then you can take this and run it by itself, and let's just say we're gonna take this and we're just gonna run that one little scene. We're gonna take that one little scene out right there. Okay, so now we're gonna go back just a little bit, and we're gonna say split, So now we have this split, and this is the one that we want to remove. So just tell it you want to remove it, okay? Now if you come back and click this, you will get the cursor back here, or you could have done it from here too. So let's see what we ended up with, okay? So this is a really easy, simple program to work with. You don't have a lot of problems here, okay? So let's go into another section of this so we can hurry through this a little bit, because it's very simple, okay? So we'll just stop this. All right, we're going to go here and we're going to click this. We're going to go back, double click this. I want to click it here. That usually is the one that I want. Now, this up at the top, you have different things here. Animation, what we can do with animation is you can pan and zoom. This, if you just put your cursor on this, it'll tell you what it is that you're going to do, and it'll show you what it is that you're going to do. And the nice thing is you can apply it to all. So let's say your framing is off, and you click this and you say you want that like that to pan and zoom. Apply to all. You see how it panned and zoomed and made this bigger? Okay, so we panned and zoomed everything, so the whole thing now will play in pan and zoom. Okay, so we applied it to all. So let's go back. Visual effects. This is one where you want to go in. This is brightness. So you just click that, and then you can take this and make this bright or dim, dark. So there you go. Let's say, see, you got a lot of control here. So let's just say I'm going there, and I say okay, and then I apply it to all. Now it's been applied to all of the frames. Okay, so if that's what you want to do, you can apply it to each individual frame if you want to. This is a real easy program to work with. I don't think you'll have any problems doing this. So come back home, and if you go all the way across here, it says Save Movie. Right-hand click that, or left-hand click that, and then you see it says for high definition display, and it tells you when you put your cursor on there what that is. So that's 1920 by 1080, okay? And the aspect ratio is widescreen, okay? Because we did that to widescreen. Now, the thing is that you can do everything in here. I mean, there's lots of opportunity for you to explore this, but I'm giving you this because this is the easiest program for you to use and not have to be a rocket scientist or a software engineer to operate it. So, let's say we want to do this for a high definition display, okay? I click that, then I want to save the movie. Mount Rush, I'm just going to say. Final. Okay, now you see this. This is an MPEG-4 H.264 video file MP4. So we're saving this as an MP4. So this is exactly what you want. Now, the other thing that's going on here is you can actually, in this program, burn the DVD. So this is a really short little clip that we have here, so it's not going to take long to process this, okay? So what we're going to do at the end, I'm going to show you. I'm not going to actually burn the disc, but I'm going to show you what you can do. Now, also, when you get done with this, you can save this, and it will, when you come up here and it says, now you see it says play, open folder, close. Let's open the folder. So there is the folder. So Mount Rush Final, okay? So there's the folder. Click that out. Now, I'm going to come over here to Save Movie, and I want to see about burning the DVD, okay? So we can come in here and we can burn the DVD, okay? So you can also send it to YouTube, Venmo, MySpace, Flickr, Facebook, whatever. This is a really, really easy, simple program. All you got to do is get in here and work a little bit, okay? So, anyway, this is a short little tutorial of Windows Movie Maker. So I'm going to click this. It's going to say you want to save this movie. If I say yes, it's going to put this into a movie making project folder. Okay? So you want to put the title here if you're going to do the saving. I'm not going to do it, so I'm just going to cancel it. So there you go, folks. You got it made. No. Okay, so you got it made. That's the easiest way to edit something. If you have questions, just give me a comment, or you can write to my email, or you can give me a call.